Okay, now as we have set up our development environment and we have installed Visual Studio 2019 16.4, now we are ready to create our first application for Blazor. Let's come into file menu, click new and click on project. So we'll get the options to create what type of application we want to create. From here select C#, okay, and from the platform select, from the types of application select web. Okay, so here we'll get the option of Blazor app. Select this option app over here and click on next. The next screen will ask you for the name of your project. You can leave it as it is, Blazor application 1. Select the path where you want to create this application. Select the name for solution. For now I am leaving everything same as is. Okay, and clicking create. Visual Studio is creating my project. The next screen will ask you for the what type of application you want to create in Blazor. We have to move ahead with Blazor server application for now. There shouldn't be any authentication selected for now. Unselect this configure for HTTPS. This is some additional information. For now, just click on create. Make sure you have selected Blazor server app template. Click on create and Visual Studio will create a project for you based on the Blazor web application template. Okay, now as we have our application created, I'm not changing anything. Just come into on this point IS Express. Okay, I have to just click on this run button. I'll just execute the application to make sure that everything is correct. Just click on this run execute option. Okay, this may take some time, a few seconds, depending on the machine that you are using for your development, and it will build whole project. Visual Studio will build the application, or your all existing pages components will be compiled into C# classes and DLLs will be generated, and then it will open the browser that will be selected from your Visual Studio. It may take some time. First time it takes time. Once the things are loaded into the memory, it will not take that much time. Okay, here we have our application. Congratulations. Okay, hello world application. You can navigate between the pages. The important thing to note here is you are not getting full refresh from inside your browser. When you are navigating between the pages, URL is changing. Okay, home counter is at /counter and fetch data is at /data, but the application is not refreshing. Whole page is not refreshing. If I am clicking on the click me button, this counter is increasing, but I'm not getting the page refresh. One thing that I want to show you here is that the button, let me open the page. The beauty of Blazor is that this is the button that I was clicking from the counter page, and there is a server side method written over here, increment count, and this is the C# coding, no JavaScript, and C# is working on the client, but because it is a server application, the DOM is updated through Signal R connections. Okay, here the beauty is that our C# code executes on client. The thing to note here is that let's come back into Chrome. Okay, once the application is loaded, come into inspect element and come into the network tab. Okay, let's clean any previous data, and navigate between the pages. You will not notice any new network call towards the server. Make sure this button should be red. That means it's recording network traffic. Now if I will click refresh from here or control F5 from the keyboard, you will see network calls from here, but once the data is loaded, let me clear all this loaded data. Okay, now there won't be any callback towards server. Everything will be communicated over Signal R connections, which are partial requests sent towards the server, and only the updated section is rendered onto the client. So that's it for this session. Thank you.